Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a grocery haul. So I'm gonna start over at this end. Here I've got these HEB pretzel crackers. These are gluten-free and they are Tuscan herb flavored. I've never had them before, but I can't wait to try them. Next up, we've got some HEB brand Italian panko Japanese style breadcrumbs. I got these to bread my chicken cutlets with, and we're gonna be having that with pasta and sauce. I got some shredded lettuce and tomatoes because we're going to be making tacos one night. I got some baby carrots just for me to snack on. I'm going to try to start eating a little healthier, so I got some healthy stuff for me. I also got these gourmet mini cucumbers. I love to eat these throughout the day. I got an onion. I forget what we got the onion for. Oh well, we'll use it for something. But I know we had an agenda with this onion. So there it is. Okay, so we also got 3 bags of the classic Caesar salad kit. These are so good. They come with the romaine lettuce, they come with the Caesar dressing, croutons, and the Parmesan cheese, and oh my gosh, they're so good. So we got 3 bags of them because we really enjoy them. I got some bananas because I love me some bananas. Alan got this. Y'all know Alan doesn't really eat sweets, but he decided to get these, and I'm gonna kill him because you know I'm gonna be tempted to eat this whole bag. This is the cinnamon sugar mini donuts, and they look so good. Got some of this Taco Bell original taco seasoning for our tacos. Got some of my favorite 12 grain bread. Got some avocados because I love avocado toast. Got some of these HEB brand rice cakes. They're apple cinnamon. And I got some peanut butter. I want to put the peanut butter on the rice cake. Got some tortillas for our tacos. Got a big pack of Funyuns. 1 dozen eggs. A pack of tuna. Got some Tabasco sauce because Alan loves to eat Tabasco sauce on his potato chips. This is the sauce we got to put with our chicken and pasta. This is the Newman's Own tomato and basil. We got some Orville Redenbacher Simply Salted popcorn. I've been dying for some popcorn. We got this 6-pack of HEB chicken breast because I'm gonna be making chicken salad. Got some Blue Diamond whole almonds. Got 4 packs of this hot and spicy chicken cup noodle. I got a can of beets because I've been dying for some beets. And some peas. I got these baby bells, and look what is on them. All of the characters from Toy Story. How cute is that? Buzz Lightyear. Where's Woody? Well, that's not Woody. There he is. So cute, right? Got some frozen strawberries and some frozen mangoes for my smoothies. We got this Castlewood rotisserie seasoned chicken breast, just lunch meat. We got the Hillshire snack plates, the wine infused salami. Alan loves these. We got some cheese here for our tacos. This is the shredded, I can't pronounce that, but it's really good. Got a big bag of potatoes. We got 2 packs of pork chops. Also got a pack of chicken cutlets and a pack of ground hamburger meat. And lastly, we got a pack of Coke, and we got another thing of the HEB sparkling water, the coconut flavor. These are amazing. So yeah, this is my grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All of this cost just a little over $100, which I think is a really good deal. I just had to walk all the way down to the truck because we forgot the yogurt. So yes, I got some more of my favorite Greek gods, Greek yogurt, honey flavor, and it fell behind the seat of the truck, so I had to go find it. But I didn't want to not include this in my video, so here's your 5 minutes of fame, Greek gods, yogurt. Bye. So today I am starting my Teami 30-day detox. I've actually done this a few times before, and I'm looking forward to doing it again. Inside the Teami detox box, you get a detox calendar, which is really helpful because it will show you what days to drink what. So with the 30-day detox, every day you drink the skinny tea, and every other day you drink the colon tea at night. So yeah, this little calendar is really helpful if you're going to be doing the 30-day detox, and it comes with it, so it's perfect. So this is the skinny tea, and it is a loose leaf tea, which is okay because you're going to be putting it in your Teami tumbler and you're not going to be getting any of that in your mouth. So this is what you drink every day, and then every other night you drink the Teami colon, and these come in little tea bags, so it's not loose. So you can just throw that in a regular cup or your Teami cup. So yeah, I'm starting this today. I'm really excited. So let's get started. So this is my baby blue Teami tumbler. That's what I'm going to be using. And see, you put this little thing at the top, so therefore you don't get the leaves in your mouth. And then this is the top mouthpiece. It also comes with a little holder part here, like a little strap so you can hold onto your bottle, but I took mine off to put it in the dishwasher. So I like to use my Keurig to get my hot water. So pretty much what I do, I just move the bottom part of my Keurig, and then I remove this part of the tumbler so it looks like this, and that way it will fit perfectly under my Keurig. And also you can use this part for like snacks or vitamins or whatever can fit in here. Like if you're going to the gym or you're going out on a run, you want to bring something extra in here, you can put it in the bottom part. Okay, so I'm getting my water going in my tumbler. So I just put my leaves in there, and I'm going to put my top on, and I'm going to let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'm going to drink it. Another thing about this is you can actually drink these throughout the day. You can reuse those tea leaves, so you can just add more hot water and drink it a few times throughout the day. And another thing you're going to want to do is drink a lot of water throughout the day, because for one, you should be drinking water anyway. 2, it's going to help you on your detox journey. So yeah, drink water, y'all. So I'm actually going to fill up my Teami tumbler again and reuse my leaves, because you can do that. I'm also starting a water challenge today that the creator of Teami started. You drink a gallon of water a day all throughout the day. So yeah, I'm starting that. I'm gonna refill this, and then I'm probably going to make me a shake. I'm going to use my bullet, and I'm also going to be using my Teami Greens. This is the superfood blend, and it's amazing. So yeah, I'm going to refill this up. I'm going to get this going with some frozen fruit, and that'll be my breakfast for the day. Okay, so I just made my breakfast smoothie. I added some frozen fruit, and I also added some peanut butter, and whoo, it made it so good. I'm not even playing. So just put my lid back on my tea. I'm gonna let this cool down a little bit, and I'm gonna drink it throughout the day, as well as I'm gonna drink this, and I'm gonna drink lots of water. I'm also taking these vitamins. I've been taking these for a while, and I love them. They are called Life Caps. They are chewable, tropical fruit flavor, and I'll just have to link them down below because these are really interesting. They're really good vitamins, and yeah, I've been taking them every day for about a week. Love them. I'm also making myself a piece of toast with my 12-grain bread. I'm having a piece of toast with avocado on top and 2 scrambled eggs. Hey y'all, I love avocado toast. I could eat this all day. I love avocados and I love toast, so. And I know it looks like a lot, because it is. I put a lot on there, and I don't care. Don't be jelly. So tonight for dinner, I am making tacos. We've got some cheese, shredded lettuce, sour cream, Taco Bell taco seasoning, tomatoes that I need to chop up, and flour tortillas. All right, so I got all the fixings out here. We've got the shredded lettuce I diced up the tomatoes and I put the cheese in this bowl. We just realized though, just when I was about to cook, that we didn't have hot sauce or taco sauce, whatever. So these are gonna be some plain Jane tacos tonight, y'all. Got my meat over here. Pretty sure that it's done. Got a little grease in there. We'll just leave that there for some flavor. And then I've also got my tortillas over here. Got them in the pan going. Alright, so my taco's finished. I have cheese on it, it's just at the bottom. But this is what it's looking like. Anyways, this is the end of my video. Let me know what you think. Leave me some comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell too, so you'll always be notified when I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!